Hello with your national weather forecast as we take a look at what we're expecting for tomorrow. That's for Friday the 20th of March. First, let's jump straight into the synoptic map and all eyes are on the Coral Sea with severe tropical cyclone Narelle. It is moving towards the far north Queensland coast and is expected to make landfall during Friday morning as a severe tropical cyclone. So for more information on that, we do have a dedicated severe weather update video. So be sure to have the latest information if you are across far northern parts of Queensland. We'll see destructive winds and heavy rain pushing across Cape York Peninsula through the day. Heavy rain also extending down the northern tropical coast of Queensland. Elsewhere, showers continue across the eastern seaboard with isolated thunderstorms, but it will be drying out as we head into the far southeast of the country. That's due to this high pressure system sitting just to the south of South Australia. But you'll see a very weak cold front move up across Tasmania as we head into Friday night. The same high pressure system is pushing very hot winds across the west coast of Western Australia, so temperatures again rising into the mid to high 30s through there. Otherwise, for the rest of northern Australia, showers and thunderstorms for the Pilbara, Kimberley and also over towards the top end. So now let's have a state-by-state look, starting off with Queensland, and the focus will be on severe tropical cyclone Narelle off the coast of far north Queensland. It is moving towards the west and will make landfall during Friday morning, bringing destructive winds, heavy rainfall and a dangerous storm surge. So do be sure you have the latest information if you are across far northern parts of the state. It is also producing heavy showers and thunderstorms down towards Cairns and the northern tropical coast, and we could see some renewed flooding across some of those river catchments through there. Otherwise, we are seeing easterly winds push onto the coast, so a few showers, including all the way down into the far southeast of the state. Otherwise, it will be a dry day right across Queensland, but with that cloud cover, temperatures slightly below average for this time of year. Still a mild day in the east and also warmer across the west. For Brisbane, a couple of showers at the top of 28 degrees and showers and a possible thunderstorm for Cairns with a top of 28 as well. Now to New South Wales, we are still seeing high levels of moisture sitting along the east coast, and combined with easterly winds, we will see further cloud and showers pushing onto land, as well as isolated thunderstorms. Mostly looking at falls between 5 to 15 millimetres, but we could see some pockets of heavier falls about the southern ranges and coast as we head into the afternoon, but gradually easing up as you head into the evening. Otherwise, a dry day inland, just a few showers about the Riverina and the far southwest and west of the state, but not expecting anything more than a few millimetres or so. So for Sydney, showers and a possible thunderstorm mostly during the morning and afternoon. Another humid day with a top of 27 degrees. And unsettled for Canberra, showers and a possible thunderstorm with a top of 25 degrees. Now to Victoria, we are seeing southerly winds pushing cloud onto the coast. We will see some afternoon sunny breaks across the far southwest and central areas, including for Melbourne, but the cloud will stick around across eastern parts of the state, and we will see a few possible showers and thunderstorms about the northeastern ranges. But otherwise, it will be generally close to average for this time of year in terms of temperatures, reaching the low 20s in the south and the high 20s in the north. So for Melbourne, morning cloud, but we will see afternoon sunny breaks with a top of 22 degrees. Warmer and drier, 29 is your top in Mildura. Now to Tasmania, we will see light winds with that high pressure system sitting just to the west of the state. We will see partly cloudy skies and just some very light showers through the day, but they'll build across the far southwest coast as we head into the evening with that cold front approaching towards Friday night. But otherwise, we're expecting a pretty mild day across the state. Partly cloudy for Hobart with 23 degrees, warm in Launceston, partly cloudy and dry with a top of 25 there. Now to South Australia. With that high pressure system sitting to the south, it is pushing east to southeasterly winds over the state. So a little bit of cloud to start the day, and we will see a few isolated showers about the northern agricultural districts and up towards the far northwest pastoral areas. Mostly falls between 1 to 2 millimetres, but we may see some high isolated falls about the mid-north and also northern parts of the Eyre Peninsula. Otherwise, further down towards Adelaide and the southeast of the state will be a mostly dry day and sunny skies. So Adelaide, mostly sunny at the top of 27 degrees, reaching the high 20s to low 30s inland under that cloud cover. Now to Western Australia, we are still seeing very hot northeasterly winds pushing right down across the coast. So we'll see temperatures again rising into the mid to high 30s, but afternoon sea breezes for Bunbury, Perth and up towards Geraldton. The exception though is the Albany coast. We'll see some cloud, some very light showers in the morning, keeping temperatures a little bit cooler as we head further south. But otherwise, with those high temperatures, high fire danger still expected across central and northern parts of the wheat belt. A few showers and thunderstorms across the Pilbara, otherwise looking like a dry day right across across Western Australia. Finally, to Northern Australia, we'll see some showers and thunderstorms from the top end, pushing down into the Kimberley. Also, a few very light showers across southern parts of the Northern Territory, but this is ahead of severe tropical cyclone Narelle, which will move into the Gulf into Friday and making landfall on Saturday night and into Sunday morning across parts of the top end. So do keep across those latest updates if you are across the top end and also into the Northern Kimberley as you head into the early part of next week. That's your forecast for today. Stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings on our website and app. Follow us on social media, and as always, have a great day.